In this video I will explain how to send funds to your Keplr wallet and stake Cosmos Atom to earn staking rewards. Open your Keplr wallet. In the top you can select chains. Select Cosmos Hub. Then click on Address to copy your Atom deposit address. Here is the exchanges you can buy and send Atom to your Keplr wallet. Link in the video description. After receiving your funds, click Stake button. It will open Keplr Wallet dashboard. Select Cosmos Hub in the chain list. Select Validator in the active validator set. For airdrop eligibility, don't delegate on exchange validators and zero commission validators. You can delegate your funds on multiple validators if you want. Check validator commission before delegate. Click Manage button and select Delegate. Staking will lock your funds for 21 days. Enter the amount you want to stake. Approve the transaction to confirm. Make sure you have enough funds to pay transaction fee. Atom stake now complete. To claim staking rewards, click Claim button, or you can use Keplr dashboard. Thanks for watching.